Birds!
Oh, dear. Shh. Yes, squirrels. If you want to go bird watching, then you have to be very quiet. Otherwise, the birds fly off and you won't be able to see them. You'll have to whisper.
Whisper, 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 whisper.
Isn't that right, Duggee? Woof.
A bird! A bird! I've spotted a bird!
Ooh.
Bird! Bird. Rolly.
Remember, be very quiet, squirrels, or you'll frighten the birds.
Mm-hmm.
I think Duggee has spotted another bird. It's Henny the ostrich.
Bird! Rolly! Sorry.
Yes, sorry, Henny. Duggee and the squirrels are just doing some bird watching.
Ooh, good.
Bye, Henny!
Cheerio!
Are you coming, Rolly? Birds.
I think Rolly's going to keep an eye out for the...
Bird! Ah!
Don't worry, Norrie. I'll keep an eye on Rolly.
Okay. Birds. What can we build the scarecrow out of, Duggee?
Woof, woof, woof.
Anything?
Oh, woof.
Yay! Birds. Birds! Ah! Bird. Hit it, Henny.
Come on, chickens. Get into the groove. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's it, chickens.
Now, squirrels, you'll all be getting
Woof.
clippers, and it's important to be safe. So, what are the rules when using them?
Always hold them by their handles.
That's right, Betty.
Keep them closed when you're not using them.
Correct.
Hold them down by your side.
Good one, Tag.
Don't run with them.
Very important, Rolly.
Wear a helmet.
I think if we follow all the other rules, we should be safe, Happy.
Woof, woof.
So, with your clippers and bushes, you can start small with tiny snips. Take your time. And you might be able to do a ball just as good as Duggie's.
Oh, woof.
Can we only do balls?
Oh, no. There are lots of shapes you can make.
Ooh! Finished!
Oh,
I made a square, an oval, triangle, star, octadecagon. It's got 18 sides.
Gosh, the squirrels seem to be naturals at this, Duggee.
woof.
Let's do some more! Yay! I think I can work with this. Small is beautiful. What to do with you? Yay! Oh, yeah! I made a peacock, a teddy bear, a tap with running water, a car.
Just time for one more thing.
Duggee hug!
Oh.
Duggee hug.